Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to send and receive text messages on Jethro's new 4G SC490 phone. We've added a great feature to this phone after hearing some comments and feedback. There are now pre-programmed common text messages that you can just select and send, such as how are you and where are you, that are going to make text messaging a lot easier. You don't have to fuss with the keyboard at all. So now let's get into this video. To send and receive text messages, you'll first hit the menu button in the upper left corner. You'll scroll to the right until you see messaging, press OK. On this screen, you'll see all of your ingoing and outgoing text messages that you have, but if you'd like to send a new text message, you'll hit Option, select New Message. In the first box, you'll type the name or the number of the person that you would like to send the message to. In this case, we'll choose Jethro Customer Service. In the next box, you'll type out the message that you want to send, but if you'd like to send one of the pre-programmed text messages that we talked about earlier in this video, you'll select Option, scroll down to Insert Quick Text, and scroll through the options and select the one that you'd like to send. And then to send it, you'll hit Option, scroll down, and hit Send. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment any questions or concerns you may have, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, giveaways, and other fun things. I've also included the link in the description below to our affordable, flexible, and reliable Jethro mobile plans, starting at just $5 a month, so don't forget to check those out. Thanks for watching.